All right, so let's go ahead and take a pause from all the iPhone accessories and let's go ahead and switch gears real quick. Huge shout out to dBrand, man, because I actually got a box in the mail, opened it up, and there was a few of their all-new Prism 2.0 screen protectors and an actual Google Pixel 9. So huge shout out to dBrand, man. No, I don't get to keep this. I do have to send it back, but they wanted me to showcase you guys their all-new Prism 2.0 screen protectors. Now, dBrand has always had screen protectors, but you know, the days of just having a screen protector and not giving us an easy way to install it. Look, people need to install screen protectors out here, and don't be waiting until somebody comes along that can install it. No, screen protector installation is getting easier and easier, and of course, that's what dBrand did with the all-new Prism 2.0. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's open the package and let's see what it has going on, install it on this Google Pixel 9, and test it out and see how it feels. So as always, classic dBrand packaging. Flipping over here when it comes to the label, Prism 2.0 for Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro. So yes, they do have the same exact screen sizes. They do interchange Pixel 9 Pro and regular Pixel 9. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. And as you see here, very nice, clean presentation from dBrand. Now, of course, they always got to hit you with a little dBrand humor. It says, I can read instructions. All right, so if you can, these are going to be the instructions to install that screen protector, but I can't read instructions. They're going to have a barcode right here, which I'm sure is going to take you to the website, take you to YouTube, and will let you know how to install this screen protector. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and install the installation tray. Of course, this does have the screen protector already built into it. Let's see what else they have going on. dBrand, and this is going to be the cleaning kit. So let's go ahead and close this up. Let's go ahead and throw that package to the side and let's see what this is working with. So when you pull out the cleaning kit, as you can see right here, very nice little smooth presentation. You're going to get a little squeegee in order to get those bubbles out, just in case you do have a few. You're going to get a small little dBrand cloth, as you can see right there, that's in there. And you're going to get 2 cleaning wipes. Now, when you go out there and purchase this Prism 2.0, you will get 2 screen protectors for the price of $34.95. Now, I'm sure some of you out there, well, I can get a much cheaper screen protector on Amazon for blah, 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 blah. But there is some things that you need to check on screen protectors that I feel the dBrand Prism does very good. So you do get 2 alcohol wipes, as you can see there. Now, let's go ahead and bring over our Pixel 9. No screen protector is installed up here. Very nice, smooth, obsidian black. So the first thing that you always want to do is go ahead and grab one of those little wet wipes, all right? And let's give the phone a quick wipe down. Now, these days, when it comes to these little, the easy installation trays, I'm a little bit more not as careful as I used to be, because sometimes with these installation trays, you can be a little reckless and still get a perfect screen protector, even if there's a speck of dust from the friction and you pulling this tray and the paper. You get a little friction, and it doesn't matter if there's little dust bits or anything up like that. You should be good to go. And your installation should still be actually very good. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and get the actual, let me get this actual, yeah. All right, let's get the actual cloth out. Now, you don't get a double, I don't think this is a double, yeah, these will be double wet wipes. Sometimes you get a wet, sometimes you get a dry. That's going to actually be double wet, so double wet. Go ahead and dry it off real quick. Once again, I'm not being too detailed because I'm pretty sure everything will be just fine when it comes to cleaning this thing off. So doing that, let's just check it real quick, make sure there's nothing unnecessary up here. Easy to go. Now, go ahead and grab your tray. Once again, man, this thing is going to be very easy to do. You're simply just going to sit it down on it, and you will have something that says the top. You'll see a little arrow pointing to the top, and what you want to do is go ahead and pull that off, and you're good to go. Of course, swipe your hand down the middle like this. Boom. Go ahead and peel it up off here, and you have a installation. Boom. Very clean and installed, as you can see right there. And you see how quick that was? I didn't even really verify much if there was an issue, if there was a speck of dust or anything like that. I didn't even double check. I just put it up there, pulled it, boom, and you barely got any bubbles. Now, look at this real good, because this is a very, very clean installation. I'm talking about hard to tell that there's even a tempered glass screen protector there, because it comes so much to the edge, except you leave a little lip to where it will be case friendly, and you will still be able to pop cases up here just fine. And also, one thing to test out when you put these screen protectors here, let's go ahead and turn it on. Now, I'm not going to be able to click through the OS because this is a new phone, so you'll still have to go through the setup and everything like that, but we will test the typing and the swipes to make sure everything works just fine, but I'm pretty sure it does. But just check it out when you look up real close. Even when it gets to the edge up here when it comes to having that little slit for a microphone and a speaker. It is right there, but this thing looks like there isn't even a screen protector installed. Feels very, very good. And you can just hit the buttons. Let me see. Let's see if I can, my Wi-Fi network, everything types, everything does just fine, feels just good, smooth on the edges. One thing that's always something you have to check when it comes to screen protectors, whether it is going to be smooth on the edges or rough on the edge. When you worry about the dBrand Prism 2.0, it is indeed smooth around the edges, man. So very quick installation. I'm pretty sure I can go grab my 5-year-old son and he can do this installation just fine. Once again, when you have these easy trays like dBrand has, you can kind of be not as careful with making sure every speck of dust is off. You notice they didn't even include dust stickers. That's telling you, man, when it comes to these installation methods, even if you have a speck of dust or anything up there, when you actually pull it, that friction will pull any little particles or anything like that you have on your screen, so you can end up in a smooth and just clean installation when it comes to your screen protector. So just like I stated, man, let me go ahead and grab another one. So when you do buy these will come with 2 in the packaging for $34.95. If you do buy this screen protector paired with the dBrand grip, you will get 10 bucks knocked off. So you're getting that 2-pack and that dBrand grip case for $24.95. Now, right now, they are available for the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and I think Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I know it's soon coming for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You know I can't wait to get that version in. We will be checking out as soon as it comes in. But man, if you're looking for a screen protector for the Pixel 9 series, I know there are tons of cheaper ones and different things like that you can get on Amazon, but the installation method, super easy, and it just feels very smooth around the corners. And I mean, I like dBrand, so I think they make a quality product, and I love to see that this is just another screen protector out there in the market that's going to give everybody a little run for their money when we talk about competition. All right, so hit the link down below. Go ahead and grab yourself a Prism 2.0. Now, I didn't do the grip case for the Pixel 9 series, but I did it for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I'll leave that video right there. It's going to be one of the best cases that you can get for your Pixel 9 series.